Hey, this is a little video for my family in the Philippines so you can see how it is when you have to go out into the snow. So you can see outside, got a lot of snow. Take a look at some of the birds. So when there's a lot of snow, then we put a lot of food out for the birds and the other animals so they can get food. So Naomi does this. You can see all of the seed that she threw out there. And then there's peanuts for the bigger birds. And she makes suet and all that stuff. But this is how it looks when it snows. So today we're supposed to get a lot of snow, almost a foot. So there's about, the gardens here. See those? The snow's right up against those. And I'll be able to show you in some of the other videos. You could take a look and see like how tall these raised bed gardens are. So these are all the birds. Alright, so we're gonna go and I'll show you what we do to get prepared to go out into this kind of snow. Now there's a saying, little flakes, big snow, big flakes, little snow. And what they mean by that, oh, there's a little blue jay. You want some of the food up here. But yeah, what that means is if the snowflakes are real tiny, you can see we got snowflakes that are real tiny today, then it's going to be a big snow, a lot of accumulation. But if the flakes are all stuck together, that kind of means that it's not going to be a lot of accumulation. Alright, so I'll show you what we got. So here's the tools of the trade. So we're going to have earmuffs, so they go around your head and keep your ears warm. Gloves, nice thick insulated gloves, keep your hands warm, and you can see how long they are. You got boots. So these ones are some pretty nice boots. They're heavy, you could hear them. So imagine having those on instead of just having little slippers on. Yep. Now we're gonna get all geared up and we're gonna go out into the snow. All right. See you in a little second. See you in a little bit.
All right.
Okay. So this is kind of like what we use. So got the earmuffs on. See, these ones have Bluetooth, so I can have my phone and play music or answer the phone. Without having to do anything, without having to have it out. Just put the thing on the side here. Got the gloves, boots, jacket with the inner lining. You can see there's two linings. So there's an outer coat and there's an inner coat that zips in, so for extra warmth and stuff like that. So, but yeah, this is how it's hard to find. Hard to imagine having fun with this much stuff on, but believe me, it's fun when you get out in the snow, you know, and you can ski, snowboard, snowball fights, sled, toboggan, tons of stuff to do in the snow. And if you just go out there and you make your own fun. All right. Let's go out and into the snow, and we'll go shovel it around and shovel the porch off, and I'll show you around. All right. All right, here we go. Ooh. Okay, so sometimes when you come up to the door, you can see all the snow is a little bit higher than the elevation. So. Let's see if we can try to show you this way through the cat door too. All right, anyway, See, that's how much snow there is. All right. All right. So we got the snow shovel out here last night. Just want to get some of this stuff out there. So bring it back in. All right, just push some of that out there. All right. So this is snow. Whew. Try to let this settle out a little bit. This is snow. You can see that. See how it's piling up on the tables? Just piling up everywhere. All right, let's go for a walk. I have to tighten these screws here every once in a while. They get loose. Okay. Get the gloves back on. So we just kick through that gate. You can see everything's all filled with snow. They're all covered in snow. There's somebody's dog playing out there. But yes, here we are. And it's really cold. Whew. Walk down the driveway a little bit. See how deep that snow is. Look at that. So what we like to do here, if you have a snowball, oh, I don't know if I can make this. Let's try to see if we can. It's too fluffy. So it's really cold, so this doesn't really pack well. But usually if it's a little bit melted or a little warmer, it packs into a nice ice ball that you could throw just like a baseball. Anyway, yeah, I just love the snow. I don't know what it is. It just makes everything look so nice and clean, new. But yeah. So that is snow. All right, well, oh yeah, there's the birds. Hello. All right, I'm just getting stuff together here, so I need to clear a path to the feeders. So this is our snow, and it rained. You can see all the birds over here, but it snowed and it rained, so that means that it's gonna freeze, and it's real thick. I'll show you this. You see, look how thick that is. So it's like solid ice for like half an inch, and then it gets down to this other, but it's all solid. Yep. So everything is real solid. So let me get my gloves on real quick and zip up my jacket. All right. Anyway, sorry about the trash cans. It's unavoidable. Everything's frozen solid. This always is hard because of the trees. You can see they're bending over. We'll probably lose these this year, so I'll cut these all out, replant them again, and it'll grow. So I always make a path through the snow. We just refilled all the feeders this morning. Oh wow, squirrels ate all the corn already too. Okay. I need a flat shovel. And digging implements. So this is my snow blower. Track drives. She's like a little tank. So it used to belong to my neighbor Rich. So great guy. Married to Kathy. Great gal. Really nice couple. So yeah. Just been keeping her up. It's gonna need a little bit more TLC this year, but yeah, she runs like a champ. So she, nice and solid still. Just keep it. Okay, let's see. I know I got a shovel here somewhere. There it is. Black handle. Alright. That's what I need. Alright. She said she needs a path to the over there. Okay. Wow. Everything is frozen. I could probably step on this without even breaking through. And famous last words. Nice. All right. Now, time for me to have some fun. Huh?
I thought you were going to get a real shovel.
I did. I chopped it.
What happened?
Huh? Where do you need it?
Like, to the feet of right there?
Huh?
Right where you're standing?
Okay.
I'd go that way with it.
Huh?
Go that way. They feed over here. Yeah, make it go to my little one too.
Go away.
Right there. That one too.
there?
Yeah.
All right.
So,
Yeah, I just chopped all this out here.
with the shovel then.
The way?
Wouldn't it be easier to lift it with the other one?
No,
Oh,
it kept on falling on. It's like,
brittle?
yeah,
Really?
it is after it. It's all powder underneath. It's got this chunk of about like 2. Hey, Sandy. Come on, girl. Good girls. Good girl. Good girls.
Where's my pail, Pooh?
Huh?
Where's my path?
That is a path.
Yeah, I need a better one than that.
No, this stuff is solid.
Yeah, but I'm gonna split.
This is all solid here. This is, see? It's all open right here.